How to do a blue comment on TikTok. First thing first, go ahead and open up your TikTok app. And then from here, you can just find the video where you want to do the blue comment. I'm just going to tap on it and then just tap on the comment section down below. As you can see here, you can see a different kind of blue comments. And as you can see, this video is related to the Thailand, Myanmar earthquake. So you can type in something along those lines or something related to the video. So let's just write something like uh, Thailand earthquake. And you will be able to go ahead and send this comment. And after a while, if the video is related to your comment will become blue. And if you tap on it, you can search for it. So just tap on the comment. And here you'll be able to go ahead and see the results of your search. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.